How much are we focused on making the people feel important? Chick-fil-A. By the way, you know, Chick-fil-A is just a dressed up fried chicken joint. Chick-fil-A is a cult. People drive up there and go, oh my God, there's 49 people in line. I'll be the 50th. Why do we love Chick-fil-A so much? Look, when I go to Chick-fil-A, I cannot wait to place my order. Why? Because whenever they're done, they always say what? My pleasure. I ask for stuff I don't even need. Why? Because they say, my pleasure. They make me feel what? Important. Chick-fil-A, look at this. What do you see right next to the little sign right there? You see fresh cut flowers. What restaurant does this? Answer, none. Chick-fil-A does because they value the families and the time that they spend at their establishments. They do the little things. By the way, when you understand the little things, you understand that really there's no such thing as little things. You understand that there really are no such thing as little things because the little things mean everything. These are little symbols that keep me coming back. These little symbols that say, what do you see when you're at my restaurant? I had one of the Chick-fil-A franchisers on my show one time, and he said, see, we understand early when we are given our franchise that the word restaurant has the same root in the word restore. They come to us hungry, and they leave satisfied. We feel important.